and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is V-qie. Downward facing dog. Press your hands, bend your knees, look forward, walk or jump. Halfway lift, fold. Mountain pose, reach up. Bring your palms to touch. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out. Inhale, exhale. Reach your arms up, mountain pose, fold forward. Halfway lift, hands on the mat. High to low push-up, upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Right leg goes up. Open to the side. Give yourself a nice stretch. Look under your right armpit. Left leg goes up. Look under your left armpit and give yourself a nice stretch on your back. Back to downward facing dog. Bend your knees, walk or jump. Halfway lift. Fold. Bring your feet to touch. Chair pose. Reach up. Inhale. Exhale. Fold. Halfway lift. Hands on the mat. High to low push up. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Bend your knees. Reach your arms up. Warrior one. Breathe in. Breathe out. Warrior two. Take a deep inhale. Extended side angle. Left hand goes up. Look up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hands on the mat. High to low push up. Upward facing dog. Inhale. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Left knee forward. Reach your arms up. Bend your front knee. Breathe in. Breathe out. Warrior two. Take a deep inhale. A deep exhale. Extended side angle. Inhale. Your right hand goes up. Your focus is up. Your drishti is up to the sky. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hands on the mat. High to low push-up. Upward facing dog. Inhale. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Breathe in. And breathe out. Bend your knees. Walk or jump. Take Malasana. It's a yogi squat. Your foot flat. Feet flat on the mat. Pressing your knees outwards with your elbows. Your palms to touch. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Release and fold forward. Wide squat. Malasana. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Stretch your right leg outwards. And switch sides. One leg on squat and you're stretching the other leg. Remember to keep breathing and maintain your focus and your balance. Fold forward, wide straddle. Wide squat one more time. Now reach your arms towards your right foot as you pull your left hips. Give yourself a nice stretch and switch sides. Here you go. Remember to keep breathing in and out. Fold forward, wide squat. Slowly come up, interlace your hands at the back. Bring your shoulder blades together like you're hugging your spine. Lift your chest up. Inhale. As you exhale, fold forward. Remember to keep breathing. You can take your legs wider or you can stay where you are. Interlacing your hands at the back. Slowly come up. Now here we are finding our balance. Hands on the mat. Left leg goes up to the sky. You're grounding down with your right foot. Take your face towards your knee. You can kiss your knee right here, or you can just stay there. And switch sides. Same action to the left side. Right leg goes up. Your head goes towards your knee. Hands on the mat. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Take your leg higher as you bring your head towards your knee. Slowly come up. Shake it off, shake it out. Other side. Dancer's pose on your right side. Finding your balance. Find your balance, grounding down your left foot as you lift your right leg higher. Switch sides. Dancer's pose. Left side, kicking your leg up and back, grounding down your right leg.